Hello guys, welcome back. Let's do a quick unbox of Nothing Ear 1 Bluetooth earphone. Nothing is a London-based company started by Kalpe. Kalpe was one of the co-founder of OnePlus. He left OnePlus in September 2020 to start a new company called Nothing. It comes in a beautiful box that gives a very unique unboxing experience. Let's check whether Nothing is inside the box. Let's open the box by pulling this tab. After separating the top cover, we will get the actual box holding the earphone. Opening the box reveals a beautiful and unique design earphone held in this beautiful carry case. Under this housing, there is two more boxes. One comes with a Type-C charging cable and the other box comes with replaceable earbuds. Also there is a user manual and some paperwork inside this cover. Let's remove this sticker and open this up. While opening, if you are using the latest Android smartphone, a pop-up comes in a screen for connecting the device. You can hit the connect button and connect the device. Also, the LED indicator turns white in color. After hitting the connect button, you need to download an app for controlling the earphone behavior. This Ear 1 app can be used for modification of touch inputs and audio enhancements. Battery levels of both earphones and charging case is visible in the app. You can hit the Hear button to personalize sound. Personalization include noise cancellation, transparent mode, etc. Also, you can use the equalizer button for more audio enhancements. Use the touch menu for adjusting the touch functions. You can use the touch function for easy music control, and also you can slide up and down like this for volume control. The earphone comes in two color variants, black and white. The earphone is also very light in weight at 4.7 gram. Powerful 11.6 mm speaker driver gives powerful bass, mid and treble. It uses clear voice technology and 3 high definition mics for better audio quality while on call. It comes with 5 hours of listening time with earbuds and 34 hours with the case. The case is capable of charging wirelessly and can also be charged with the Type-C charging cable. Find My Earbud is a very unique feature of Nothing Ear 1. The earbud is IP4X, sweat and water resistant. Wear detection is another feature. This feature automatically detects when you wear the earphone and start the music. When you remove the earphone, the music stops automatically. In the ear experience is also very superb. It fits in the ear very comfortably. Because it is light in weight, you does not even feel there is an earphone in your ear. The sound quality is also very superb. The overall experience is very good. As always, the product link is given in the description below. Definitely go and check. Your suggestions are always welcome. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in next video. Bye bye.